All these memories make me lose my head. I never thought I'd find a home in all these things you said.
You guys, we are here again. Oh, I did not put soap. Or did I? No, I didn't. Let me add soap in this water. Time to clean this floor because we are moving in fully in 2 days time. I'll be 3 days, yeah. In 3 days time. So we need to clear up this place and clean thoroughly. I'm not here alone. I'm here with Jasmine, Diana, and my husband. But he's trying to put things in order. Guys, so yesterday we didn't do nothing. We only just came to eat. But today we have to finish up some stuff, especially this room. And we also bought shoe rack, another one, and makeup storage because the other one broke. Waiting me they clean, so the other one broke, so we bought another one. The one we bought today, we asked them to stand it for us. But before we transported it from home to this place, the mirror broke a bit, but it's not a problem. Packing is not easy. You will lose things. One of my mirror decor that I have in my kids' room just broke a few minutes ago. This place, Hobby wants us to leave the tiles like this because he loves the color of the tiles. But I said, let's put rug. He said, let's leave it because the tiles is cute. Let's see what will happen. You guys, so this is the makeup whatnot. I just finished cleaning it and I plugged it because it's with LED lights. So you touch it here to change different color. Can you see it? So the only defect is that it broke here. But not a problem anyways. It's not very visible if you turn on the lights. You see? Oh no, it's not visible with the lights. Anyways, I'll see what I can do with that. So you guys, this is the new shoe rack we got. Like I said earlier, we mounted it where we got it because of our last experience of the one we bought, and it turned out that 2 of the wooden stuff was broken and there was nothing we could do than to just buy another one. So when we bought this one, we just told them, look, please, can you mount it? Then we'll transport it home. And they agreed, which they did. So here I am just arranging our shoes. When Obi walked past and he saw me arranging the shoes like this, he screamed and said, Madam, this thing will not last if you put these shoes this way. That is too much because the shoes have weight. So he asked I removed some of the shoes and put the ones we are not using often in the storage, or the summer one or winter one. Just remove some. The ones we are using often or we are going to use soon, we should put them there. The ones we are not using, those ones that we would like to send back to Africa or throw away or gift out, that I should put it in the storage. So this shoe rack will last. So I had to remove everything. And here Obi is trying to put Jasmine's bed together. You guys remember this one we got after we gave birth to Diana. Jasmine is not really using it again in the new house because we have another options. but this is going to serve a purpose. Maybe as time goes on, Diana will be the one using this bed because now Jasmine has another option. So yeah, that's what's going on here. Excuse the fridge in this room, we are going to remove it. As you can see, we are still arranging in this vlog, so we are going to remove while we are finalizing everything in the house. So here Obi is trying to fix the curtains. Just like I said at the beginning of this vlog, I said we are going to move in 2 days time, so we need to put some things together, especially the basic things like curtains and every other thing that we will need, because other things are not here yet. Just like I said in my previous vlogs, that our furnitures are going to be coming in later, so which means we are going to pack in like that. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the vlog.
Make me lose my head. I never thought I'd find a home in all these things you said. When I hold you,
The 1035 Errands Express 22.
Hey guys, good morning. I am in Rome. I wanted to talk to you guys this morning, but I was in haste. My body is paining me, like my whole body. My bones are broken. I came to buy something because for the past 3 days, Obi and I will not be eating like normal human being. We don't have meat. We don't have any kind of food stuff at home to cook. So we've just been managing. And I was like, okay, before we pack into the new place, I should cook something. But then again, I was really occupied. I'm busy with packing, arranging. So today I said, let me just come here to get few meat and cook varieties of food and freeze them. So before we settle in fully, we'll have something to eat. That's why I'm here. And this morning I was really rushing. I don't have my car with me right now. So we packed it in front of the new house for like 2 days now, so we'll be using just one car. So I used the bus to get here. I want to use the post office because the one in my former area, they are working on it, and the new place, I don't really know where their post office is, so let me use this one in Rome. Then I'll just get meat, like I said, and cook something. My knee is paining me. I don't know if it's stress or something, but I have this terrible knee pain. I'm trying to look for my wallet. Hey, I hope I brought it too. Hey, I will just cry. Anyways, let me talk to you guys later. You guys, the ATM swallowed my card, so I'm inside the bank for them to help me open the machine and bring it out. I don't know, it just remained inside. They said they will open it tomorrow morning. I should come back. I mean, I cannot come back, so I've given them my documents. Now let's see if they'll be able to open it and bring it out. Diana, please, you have to calm down. Mama is in a mess. Let's see if they can be able to bring it out. This thing now, I've made my plan of going home very early. See the way you dirty your stroller. Let me clean it before people will think Mama is dirty. Mama is not dirty. You are the one that stained it with your biscuits. I didn't even say complain. Daya. Let's go. Let's go. They have given me my card. The guy was saying for security reasons they don't open the machine by this time. It's only in the morning. I should come tomorrow morning. I'm like, please, I don't stay anywhere close. He said, that's the only thing they can do. I should come tomorrow morning. But then again, he now went inside. He came back and said it's because of Diana, or if not that I have a baby, that they would have not opened it for me. I said, thank you. So they've given me, fear not let me put her back to even confirm whether I'm my card. I just took it and I'm going. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.
Kind of thing that makes me wanna be with you forever.
You guys, I found cherry today. Agbalumo, Odara, whatever you call it. I just washed one immediately and it's very tasty. You see, inside is very red. It's very sweet. I bought 3 for €2 because I was having just €2 with me. I'm coming back now. I'll buy another one. Then I'll take it home. The last time I came, I didn't find Sherry because there were police everywhere. Now, as I'm talking to you, police are here. So I saw the women at the entrance of this road. So I bought from them. So here I was getting meat that I'm going to use to cook. The reason why I came to the market, and voila, I was done and heading home. I was very tired. You can see from my face, not that I was tired because I went to get meat. I was tired because of all the stress we've been undergoing for the past weeks.
Something new.
You guys, I am back. This is everything I got from the market. This is the okra I bought. I just soaked it inside water with salt. I got this one. This is chicken. I just bought one. Sorry, Diana. This is goat's meat. This one is €10. This is cow beef. I think €10 or so. This fukun was a gift. He just gave me after I bought everything. He said if I needed fukun, I said yes. So he gave me this for free. This one is for barbecue. I got this one €15 because that place we are going to, things are expensive there. The 3 pieces I got, the one you guys saw we were eating the other day, I bought it for €32, just 3 pieces. And these 4 here, I got this one for €15. So that place we are going is very expensive. So the amount I spent in all of this minus the okra, just the meat and the chicken, is €40. Is it a good buy or not? You guys, it's been a very hectic day. I'm so tired. I just finished cooking. I did like 2 different meals. Yeah, I'll show you guys in a bit. I'm very tired. Bobby is helping me to do the dishes because I messed everywhere up while Bob cooking, and Diana was disturbing me. So when he came back, he's helping me now to do the clean up. I am drained. I'm tired. Like every one of us in this house, we are all feeling the stress. The kids. I don't want to bother anyone. That's why we did not call anybody to come join us. Oh yeah. Where is Papa? So you guys, these are the meals I made today. I made jollof rice, just a little bit of it. I made vegetable soup and ogbono soup. I used chicken. We had what's it called? Jollof rice for dinner. So the chicken we use. I didn't use turkey this time around. I decided to use chicken. It's been long we had chicken in this house. And it tastes really nice. So I want to start packing them up. I want to pack them up. The rice, I'll just put it in a container and put in the fridge. While the ogbono soup, I'll tie it in nylon, different portion, then put in the freezer. This fridge, we are going to leave it here. So tomorrow when we are leaving the house, we are going to pack everything from the freezer and transfer to the other freezer over there. That's what I want to start doing now. This took a lot of time and energy. You guys, I am drained, but it's worth it at the end of the day. See me, see your guys tired. See what Diana did to me. See. Anyways, tomorrow we have a lot of things to do. We are going to pack some things from here. I'm going to buy some things, and tomorrow I think they are going to fix the kitchen over there. Anyway, I'll take you guys along. Let me start packing up these things. Maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow, not later, because I am tired.
Thank you for watching.